Hello everyone, today we'll be taking a look through the contract dashboard on NFT-Inator, showing you where everything is and how easy it is to use. Firstly, let's start with the artwork section. Here we'll be able to select the token set we'd like to utilize. In this case, we only have one token set, so it's automatically selected. Underneath your token sets will be the option to use a custom metadata URL. This is an advanced feature and your tokens will fail to display if configured incorrectly. Now, let's move on to the features section. Here we'll be able to see all the features available to us. To utilize features unlocked to the contracts pass, let's go ahead and select Advanced Mode. Now that we've selected Advanced Mode, we can go ahead and select the features we'd like to utilize within our smart contract. Let's take a look. Firstly, we have credit card and ERC20 payments, which we'll need to verify in order to enable. Admin airdrops. This feature allows for us to mint directly from the contract and airdrop them to any wallet for free. You can utilize this feature to do things like mint some of your tokens to the team wallet. Marketplace restrictions. Control the individual marketplaces that your NFT can be traded on, allowing you to disable trading on non-royalty enforcing marketplaces. Allow listing. Here we can enable an allow list, aka whitelist. With this feature applied, we can limit our mint to pre-approved wallets. Basic presale. With this feature, we can charge a different fee for the first X number of tokens from your collection. Per wallet presale. Here we can charge a different fee for the first X number of mints per wallet address. A popular use case would be to have the first free and others as the normal fee. White label source code. With this feature, we can remove the powered by NFT-Inator comment in your smart contract source code. Redemption minting. Set other NFT collections that minters can burn or verify ownership of to mint an NFT from this collection. A popular use case is to offer a discounted or free mint for holders of a partner project. Scheduled drop. Automatically enable minting at a scheduled time. This feature integrates with your mint page to show a live countdown. Delayed review. This feature hides your final artwork and metadata until you reveal it to your holders. For this feature, you'll need to upload a placeholder piece of art on the artwork step. The rest of the features from here are add-on features, in which you can contact the NFT-Inator team to get a quote. These features include dynamic pricing, price your mint dynamically with fees charging automatically based on the number of tokens minted, the balance of the minter, or another external factor. Affiliate links. Create affiliate links which earn the affiliate a share of any mints completed via their link. Affiliates can view and withdraw their balance from a custom dashboard. Staking. Add an ERC20 utility token and a custom staking platform to your drop. Allow holders to stake their NFTs and earn rewards in your utility token. On-chain unlockables. Store encrypted files or data in each of your NFTs that can only be revealed by the holder. This feature doesn't affect your ability to add off-chain unlockables later. Alright, we've looked over the features available to us, selected the features we'd like to utilize, and can now move on to the payments section. Firstly, let's go ahead and set our mint fee. If we want to make our collection a free mint, you can set this to 0. We've selected the basic presale feature, so let's go ahead and set our presale fee and the amount of tokens we'd like to be within our presale. In this case, let's go ahead and set the presale to 20 out of 100 of our tokens. Now we can go ahead and submit the royalty percentage of our choice. The maximum royalty supported is 10%. Now that we've filled out all of this information, we can submit any payout recipients we'd like. For example, if we were to have a co-founder that will be receiving a percentage of our mint, we'll add their address here and click Add Address. Alright, we've finished filling out the payment section and are ready to move on to the mint page section. First, we'll upload an avatar we'd like representing our project within our mint page. In this case, I'll be using an exported token from the generation phase. Now that we've uploaded our avatar, let's fill out our basic information including the name of our project, our contract description, website, Twitter, and Discord. Wonderful, we're almost there. Now let's move on to the deployment section. Let's go ahead and fill out all the information needed within this section. Firstly, we'll set our contract name or leave it the same as our project name. Next, we'll set our contract symbol. This will be a 4 to 6 letter name for our token, similar to a stock ticker. We won't be able to change the supply unless we select a different token set or go back to the generation phase, in which we'll be able to change our token supply and re-export the collection. Feel free to add a header mark to the top of your contract code here. Select the correct blockchain you'd like to utilize, and we'll have the option to deploy directly to mainnet, which we don't recommend. Great, we finished the deployment section and can now deploy our collection to testnet. We'll need some free testnet crypto from one of the faucets displayed below to pay the deployment gas fee. Once we've been sent free testnet crypto, we can deploy our testnet contract. Now for everyone's favorite part, let's go ahead and click the deploy button and sign the transaction. Once our contract has been deployed on the testnet, we'll be brought to the contract dashboard itself. Let's get familiar with the dashboard. You'll see a yellow band at the top of the dashboard. This is how you change your network to mainnet once you're comfortable with everything and ensure your contract is fully operational. Below the yellow tab, you'll see your live command center. Here you'll be able to see the active supply minted from your collection, the balance from your ongoing mint, the status of your mint, and how many users are currently viewing your mint page. Moving on, within the dashboard section, you'll be able to view your mint page, or install our mint button directly to your website. For more information on installing your mint button to your own website, head over to our website, located in the description of this tutorial, and visit our docs. In the center, you'll see the progress of your presale and overall mint. On the right side of the dashboard section, you'll see all of your contract details, including the contract name, symbol, contract address, and metadata URL. You'll also see a prompt to verify your contract. Unfortunately, I clicked it in the making of this tutorial, so we won't be seeing it, but it'll be located under your metadata URL. Also located under your contract details will be your method of airdropping tokens to any wallet. Select the amount of tokens you'd like to send, insert the address you'd like to send the tokens to, and proceed to airdrop to X address. Below Admin Airdrop, you'll be able to see any active marketplace listings. If you haven't minted any tokens yet, you won't be able to see any listings. Within the main section of the dashboard, you'll find your mint pricing, the option to disable your presale, enable the option for minters to add a tip, or disable native payments. You'll be able to see the status of your mint and open minting within the mint status section of this page. On the bottom of the dashboard section page will be live tracked activity regarding your contract. Let's move on to the payment section. Here we'll be able to make any changes to our presale or overall mint. We'll also be able to add any ERC20 tokens which minters will be able to use to purchase our tokens. This token will need to be on the same chain as your contract. If you're looking to add card payments to your mint, you'll need to complete an application form to be approved. You can do this after deploying your contract to mainnet. On the right side of the payment section, you can limit the amount of tokens that can be minted in a single transaction. If you enabled the global mint limit feature, you'll also be able to make adjustments here. Alright, we're familiar with the payment section of our contract dashboard. Now let's move on to minting. Here you can open up your mint page URL, or if you decide you'd like to utilize your own website, you can add our no-code mint button. Let's move on to permissions. Here we can add any team members we'd like to be able to make changes or monitor our contract, applying the appropriate permission level to each team member, whether that may be admin or viewer. We can also decide what marketplaces we'd like our collection to be listed on within this section. Finally, let's take a look at the contract section. Within this section, you'll be able to download your contract source code and API, as well as easily access information yourself or your developer may need. Once we feel comfortable with our contract, we can finally deploy our collection to mainnet. Click the yellow band whenever you're ready. This concludes the contract dashboard tutorial. Thank you for tuning in, and we wish you the best of luck with your projects to come.